Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to inspect your wood-burning fireplace. Things to look for and issues you may need to address. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is check out the glass. Look for any defects in the glass, make sure there's no cracks, make sure they operate smoothly in their tracks. These look good. Now let's check out the spark screen. You want to make sure that those move smoothly in their tracks and are tangle-free. That checks out. Be sure your fireplace has a grate for the logs to sit on. That will enable proper airflow for them to burn efficiently. The hearth includes the floor of the fireplace and the area in front of the fireplace. You need a minimum of 16 inches between the front of the fireplace and combustible material like wood, floor, and carpet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. This checks out. In order to get a good look to inspect the bottom of the fireplace, I'm going to vacuum it out. Now we got it cleaned out, we can inspect for defects on the floor of the hearth and the walls of the firebox. When inspecting the fireplace, look for any missing bricks and cracks in the mortar between the bricks on the floor and the walls of the fireplace. Next, I'm going to look in the firebox and inspect for creosote. Creosote is the black tar-like substance you get from burning wood. Creosote can build up on the inside of your fireplace and cause a chimney fire. Looks like there's a little bit of creosote buildup on the damper door up there. You're going to want to hire a chimney sweep to have that cleaned. Inspect the damper door, be sure it opens easily and closes completely. Well, the damper looks like it's operating smoothly. Now I'm going to inspect the flue. The flue is the passageway in the chimney that lets the smoke out. Inspect the flue for any defects or creosote buildup. Looks like there's a fair amount of creosote buildup in this flue. You'll want to get that taken care of by a chimney sweep. Now we got that complete. I'm going to go outside and check the exterior of the chimney. Inspect the integrity of the chimney. Look for any missing bricks or cracks in the stucco. Make sure the flashing around the chimney is intact and installed properly. Be sure the chimney cap and grate are clear of debris. Look for any black residue between chimney bricks. This means creosote is seeping through. Look to see if your chimney has a sway or bow to it. It could be unstable. There you have it. That wraps up the inspection. A couple things to think about. Check your batteries in your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, and check the full charge on your fire extinguishers. For more tips like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.